when you add macros tab into your Excel, you will get extra formulas. One is very important formula called spell number currency. In other words, it will show amounts in words. Type equal spell number currency, then select the number cell. Close the brackets. Now you can see we got the amounts in word. Simple as that. But if you want to add your currency also, after the spell number currency formula, just press the formula button here in the Excel. Then you will get the help. First, main currency in plural form. My currency is rupees, so I will type rupees. Then the main currency in singular form, I will type rupee. Then the sub currency in plural, type cents. Then the sub currency in singular form, cent. Press OK. Now you can see amount in word with currency. Also you can see now new formula got changed like this. If you remember, you can simply type the formula like this to get the same result without the formula option in here. If you want to add only word at the end, you can simply use concatenate formula or ampersand sign to add any other extra word you want. I will use ampersand, then type only space within brackets. Okay, done. But if you always forget how to use it, just go to quick formulas in the macro tab, then select currency into word, select the value. So you get the result. If you want, you can change the currency here. If you need another format, you can go to currency into word, format 2, select the value. Okay, you got it in another way. Now putting amounts in the word is very easy. It's one press of a button, right? But keep it in your mind, if you are sharing this file with someone else and he doesn't have the macros tab, it will not work in his computer, or he has to add the macros tab to his, then it will only work. Okay,